Mighty old nature. We love her, adore her, and she is giving, yields all good. What we can do in return of the gifts and blessings is to transcend, nýsa, niður. This is giving in return. She will be pleased. She will be peaceful and care for us, her little stupid naughty bairns. If we do not give back, we are mere thieves. If we do not give back, only take and take, some disharmony will build up. We are all responsible. Nature can tolerate a lot from us, like a loving mother, but in the end, if we do not give back, she can take no more and will burst. Her way of bursting is no small thing. Do you know that nature is not any tangible stuff? Do you know that she is a veil, a cover, which hides away from our eyes reality itself? Do you know that we can easily transcend and get away from her triguna, three qualities, to reload our batteries and to set our mindset right? Stop making mistakes and flaws, take no more than we really need. I have the feeling that nature was named Bad Skessa, man-devouring trolless, so that we would not love her. Rather, men should pray and show up in church on Sundays. But I doubt if that was the correct way to give her back for her blessings, as we did not stop exploiting, killing and destroying.